Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Just a little quick one on these. Well, on the little Suzuki. Now this has got the, I think it's a 1.2 16 valve Maruti engine. I don't know if this is a common issue, but if your temperature gauge ain't working, have a look at this quickly before you buy a sender. I'll give you a backstory. We bought it, the temperature gauge never worked. I put a new sender on it, made no difference at all. It took me ages to find it, and eventually I found it was an earth problem on the thermostat housing. Hang on, I'll take you in, show you. Right. So here we are down the side of the engine. Thermostat housing here. Now if you can see, there's a wire that goes from the main part, which is all through the same bolts, but it goes through these bolts, I say bolts, studs, through to the head, but there's a body here with the takeoff for the manifold heater and the interior heating. This wire wasn't there, and there was no earth on the sender unit, which is, oh, can you see it under there? Let me move that light. I do apologise if you cannot see this, but the sender unit is just there. But that's not got an earth in the cable, so you've got to make sure that that body is well earthed. Oh. So yeah, before you spend money on a sender or anything, check that this is well earthed here, because that's what our problem is. I changed it, changed the sender, didn't make any difference, put an earth on here, jobs are good. Right, I hope that saves you a few quid. Or if not, it's something else to look for if your temperature gauge ain't working. Anyway, just a real quick one that was. If it's any help to you, any use to you, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We've got a couple other videos on the old Suzuki. Look at me Instas, Larks_workshop, and hopefully see you next time. Cheers then.